Sunlight spills through broken leaves, dances soft on the woven trees. A whisper carries on the air, promises of a world so rare. Nature hums her gentle tune underneath the glowing moon. Brush the canvas sky so wide, paint your soul with the earth's pride. Streams that sing as they run clear, stories born for every ear. Pebbles shine like stars below, fragile echoes where rivers flow. The wind calls out like a friend unseen, breath of life where the world turns green. Every flower a brush in blue, color fills the still and gloom. Nature hums her gentle tune underneath the glowing moon. Brush the canvas sky so wide, paint your soul with the earth's pride. The leaf on moss, a quiet kiss. Every step a moment's bliss. Creative hearts alive ignite, artful hands with nature's light. Feet on moss, a quiet kiss. Every step a moment.